Hello everyone, this is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy. So, very interesting interior in this. It literally looks like a Range Rover, based off, especially because of the steering wheel. If you just ask some random person what kind of car this is, there's no Hyundai logo in here, so they would think it's a Range Rover because of the steering wheel and the layout of the interior, which is quite interesting. The new Santa Fe is a very unique design. It's like very boxy. It's pretty polarizing, but it definitely stands out, that's for sure. You have open port wood trim in this Calligraphy, ventilated, heated seats, and heated steering wheel. You have a 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 277 horsepower. I do love the placement of the wireless charging tray. It's very convenient. One thing, if you notice in my videos, is I always make a point of if I like the placement of the wireless charging tray or not in a car. I hate when it's like hidden somewhere. This is like a really good spot for it. Pretty good center console storage, and you also have really comfortable seats in this Calligraphy, and as well as this like die extension down there, which is cool. Full digital gauge cluster. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Easy to use screen as well. The shifter's kind of interesting. You have a nice 360 camera. And you also have like the 3D view of the car, which is really cool. And then you also have the mirror with the camera on it. You have a Bose sound system. You have a suede headliner with a normal sunroof here, and you have a bigger sunroof in the back for the rear passengers. But let's see what that looks like. This is finished in like that green color. Santa Fe badge on the side, black wheels. It's interesting how the headlights say H, like for Hyundai. It looks so much like a Range Rover, it's crazy. And then here are the rear seats. You have heated rear seats. Captain's chairs with the armrests, and even the third row looks pretty spacious, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is a very nice interior. What's that? You can also, oh, you have a little storage cubby. You put like some charging cables and whatnot in there. And yeah, here's the back of the car. The taillights are really low, which is an interesting design. And here's the third row, space with the third row up. Let's fold the third row and see what it looks like. So you have some more space. Oh, you also have a wall charging outlet, which is really cool. You also have rear AC for the third row, as well as 2 cup holders. Very practical from Hyundai. Nice. You have the little pixels. That's like Hyundai's theme. And even the taillights say H. Hyundai definitely want to make their Santa Fe distinctive. The previous one was not, but this one definitely is. Let's take it out for a quick drive, see what it's like. You also have the turn signal cameras, which are really nice in Hyundais and Kias. Very useful feature that nobody else has. But yeah, like the Santa Fe, it's like Hyundai's done such a great job, as well as Kia, with making, in the recent years, with making very competitive vehicles with awesome features, good build quality, materials wise and everything, plus offering a long warranty for very good prices. This is like a sub $40,000 vehicle for these kind of features. That's very impressive, truly. And yeah, it has decent pickup too. I mean, the horsepower figure is nothing crazy. It's just pretty standard for a family SUV at this price point. But it, yeah, it does what it needs to do. It has more than enough pickup for daily driving. It's pretty quiet in here too. Yeah, but since this has a white interior, you do have to be careful to keep your hands clean and not spill food or drinks, because you will ruin that white leather. So that's something you need to keep in mind if you're gonna get an interior like this. And you have the little tracker right there, I'm assuming for like the hands-free driving. Put it in the normal mode, or you have normal, sport, and my drive, so 3 modes. I like the Bose speaker grills, they look really cool. You have a head-up display, of course, in this Calligraphy, which is good. Pretty good acceleration. Also, the seats have good bolstering on the sides. They'll hold you in place going around the corner, which is good. I also like this polished metal piece on the steering wheel. It looks good. And I like how the camera pulls up whenever you go into a parking spot or get close to something, so it'll show you what it looks like around the vehicle. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for brand new, certified pre-owned or pre-owned Hyundais.